Greetings and welcome to Premier 7. I am Ryan Nelson, the owner, host, and man in the spotlight. Premier 7 is your go-to platform for exclusive news and contents on the Jamaica men's national team. We break down tactics, spotlight players, and tell data-driven stories that actually means something. And of course, for a little reggae vibes, we've got the Reggae Radar that brings the energy and the spice. My goal is simple: to be a clear and strong voice for Jamaica football and people. You can dive into Premier 7 blog for deeper features and exclusive write-ups. So if you love football, if you love Jamaica, join Premier 7 right now for the big chat.